Hey guys, welcome back to J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my cheesy baked potato. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CaliKitchen_1, and go ahead and follow my business page, it's Accessories by Limbs. So here I have my potatoes and I'm using 4 potatoes today. I also have some cow's milk. I also have my Kerrygold butter. And I also have some cheddar cheese. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to use a dinner knife to just make some holes or some punches in my potatoes. This way it will cook faster. As you can see, I'm not going to slice them up. I'm going to cook them all like this. And guys, while I'm doing this, I have my pot on the stove with my boiling water with some salt in it that I'm going to cook my potatoes in. And guys, just a note, I'm going to boil these potatoes for roughly 30 minutes. So this is what my boiled potatoes look like. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the skin from the potatoes. Alright, so again, I boiled the potatoes for roughly 30 minutes. And then I remove them, slice them in two. Then I remove the skin from the potatoes. So guys, once again, remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Remember to tell your friends, tell your family members about J's Kitchen. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to leave a like, comment, and remember to just share my channel. Be a part of the cooking journey, alright? And guys, please note that if you're removing the skin and some part of the skin don't come off the potatoes, well, that's fine. You're not going to get it perfect. You can leave some of the skin on it, it's fine, but we just want to ensure that majority of the skin is being removed. Alright? Alright guys, so now that I'm finished removing most of the skin from my Irish potato, it's time to go ahead and start crushing my potatoes. Now, if you have a potato crusher, you can go ahead and use that, but for me, I do not have one, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the fork. And I find it very easier to use the fork, maybe because I'm used to it. And I mean, some persons don't want to use the fork, that's fine. Also guys, please note that I did not add the butter at this stage. I add it after. So you guys can add the butter at this stage when you're crushing, but I did not add the butter at this stage. So you guys won't see when I add the actual butter, alright? Just remember to add your butter. And guys, also remember that you don't have to add the exact amount of cheese that I add. You can go ahead and add more or less cheese depending on what you want, alright? So you can always adjust your ingredients. And as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and add the cheese. And I added some of the cheese and also I added the cow's milk. And guys, you don't have to use the same cheese like what I'm using. You can use any cheese except for tasty cheese because that one won't melt, alright? So guys, once again, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, I'm going to go ahead and add some parsley flakes. And basically, the parsley flakes is just for garnish, alright? And also, if you want to add some all-purpose seasoning, you can go ahead and do so. So now it's time to go ahead and bake my potatoes. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the Pyrex dish. And just to note that I added some cooking spray to the Pyrex dish that I'm going to use to bake my potatoes in, because I don't want it to stick. Alright, and as you can see, I'm spreading it evenly. And guys, please note that while I'm doing this also, my oven is preheated at 200 degrees. So I'm going to bake this for roughly 17 minutes, or you can bake it up to 20 minutes depending on how you want the crust. So once I added the potatoes, I'm just going to go ahead and add the cheese on top, and also I'm going to add some parsley flakes. And again, I'm going to bake this for 17 minutes to 20 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like after I finish baking, and I'm also going to show you what I serve it up with. So guys, after 17 to 20 minutes, this is what my cheesy baked potato looks like. As you can see, I love the crust and I just love how it looks. So I'm just going to serve this up with some garlic shrimp and escovitch fish and show you guys the final product. So guys, this is the final product of my cheesy baked potatoes, and as you can see, I served this up with some butter garlic shrimp, and also some escovitch sliced fish. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try it out at home, and I hope you guys already subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.